Hello, home of the prospectors.
When I turned the corner, I thought I was in the wrong place. So I made a wrong turn. The school is beautiful from outside.
Well, we've worked really hard to build a legacy, 60 plus years strong at Grassy Creek, and tonight is a celebration of that legacy. And so we're super excited to see some of our past staff members and of course students, family members come out and get to see the school and kind of walk down memory lane and also celebrate all the things that are coming up in the future.
Grassy Creek has always been a special place, and now with renovation is even more special.